ladies. Today I'm going to show you a styling that you can add in your forward stepping. Yes, so as we regularly would step, it would be walk, 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 transferring our weight constantly. Yes, the styling we will add is on the end count. So we will go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. For example, yes, you can also add it with your other foot. To go into the explanation for this, it is very important to use the end count, so in between the step. We always depart with our right leg as a follower. So we will do 1, just a regular step, and then we will do and 2. Yes, so we want to lift up our feet. We don't want to bring our knee to the front because we have our leader here and we don't want to bump into him. So the leg will be lifted a bit, but it's more the feet that goes to the back. We have 1 and 2, step and touch. Yes, all in one side. We will have 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let me give you another example with the other foot, or maybe combine them. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, step 5. The other side, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Yes, so you can always add it in the end counts, the steps in between. Here we go, ladies, with the right. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. We go back from the start. 5, 6, let's go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. From the other side. 5, 6, let's go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do single ones. 5, 6, let's go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. From the other side. 5, 6, let's go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more on the way. Also, if you're interested in going deeper with your knowledge and know everything there is about following in Kizomba and Urbankiz, we have an online school for you, amazing-follows.com. We will be thrilled to see you on the other side. Bye.